Yeah, she is. We're all cozied up, sleeping inside the truck. We're like parked right outside the trailhead for Imogene. Yeah, we're doing Imogene first, by the way. And then we're gonna do Black Bear on the way back.
Yeah.
So we're just, it's like 3 o'clock right now.
Is it?
Yeah, it's almost, well, because we got here at like 1, and then we messed around for a little bit. Now it's like 3 o'clock. We're gonna get up at 7-ish when the sun comes up and head out. So, but we're nice and warm. We got our electric blanket right here, and then a little like puffy rumple blanket. And I got my jacket on, so
I don't even have my jacket on.
we'll be good to go. So we just slept here on the side of the road. I think we're gonna go back into town real quick and get coffee, and then we're gonna go up. Isn't that beautiful?
Did you want to plug the battery in now?
Why did you do that?
Huh?
Do what?
Did you want to plug the battery in now?
Yeah, maybe not. Airing down his tires for the first time. What is he using, a pencil?
Pen.
He's got a pen down there? Can't even keep his sunglasses on?
It's already frustrated because I knocked the lid off his coffee.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, have you already switched to 4 left?
You're beautiful.
So I think the best way to do it is, I think if I get in the back of your bed and you drive, and then Kristen drives the truck, go like 10-15 miles an hour, and I'm just going to sit back there and try to film it. Cool.
It's the filmmaker in action.
And we'll just go from here just to the end of that bend. And we'll stop. That's all we should need. So you guys just need to be in sync, so when you start going off, she starts going, and we're going like the same speed.
The money shot.
Yeah, and it's pretty flat here, so you can go like 15. You could probably go 10 or 15. We're like a director.
We're showing off your skills.
They're driving like a granny.
He's letting me drive!
Look at that. That cliff face looks sweet. Jake's making it. Look at these. So these aspen trees, some of them are yellow, and some of them are like have this reddish hue. They look beautiful. Look at that. Look how red that one is. It's so red. Hopefully it comes up good on the camera.
Neonish, pinkish, orangish red. It's like the
That's
best.
a neonish, pinkish, orangish
Yeah,
red.
it's like it's my new favorite color.
Rocky bumpy. Tiff side. Oh! That's Black Bear right there. You can see the switchbacks. So we'll be hitting that up second. We're on Imogene right now. So we'll be coming back into Telluride through Black Bear. I gotta run. Old abandoned mill building, mining shaft, who knows what it was. A lot of good wood though. I wonder if that's oak. I don't know what kind of wood, oak or pine. Probably oak. It's because that's the only thing growing out here. Oh, this first obstacle.
He's just cruising. Look at him go.
What's he doing? He's cruising?
He's cruising.
Cruising. What are we doing? Are we making it?
We're making it! Look at him go.
Oh, look at little stock Tacoma off-road, TRD off-road. Oh, he's gonna take on his first little rock here. Oh, 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 oh! First scratches. Well, what about this little spot? Go right up, left tire, right there. There you go. Ooh. Oh, snap. Oh, there's another one. Oh, Kristen just runs right over it. Oh, that's a good view. Look at that, the sunlight. Yeah, those mountains are beautiful. Walk the whole thing at this point. Oh, snap. Kristen's getting after it. Yeah, she is. You're lucky I'm in shape.
Oh, yeah, you're like, yeah, I'm in shape.
Here, you see that little rock over there? Why don't you just put your left tire over it? That one.
He's not gonna make it up this part. Or oh my god, that's like, I don't think I even got a very good video because I was freaking out. Look at that. That's an orange. Old Daredevil over here.
I can't believe the horn honked like I hit it. And I didn't even touch the steering wheel. It goes honk. It like honks the horn for you.
I was wondering what happened.
No, I swear I didn't. I don't think I hit it. Because I was like holding the steering wheel like
yeah,
this.
it might have.
We made it.
We're up in the snow now.
Yeah, you can tell the trucks, the engine's having to work a lot harder.
Yeah, it is.
Hard.
Yeah. That's really scary.
Sliding in the middle. It's a good thing.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Jake's coming up the little snow pass we just came up and started sliding a little bit, so Oren went down there to kind of help boost his confidence a little bit. Here he comes. He's making it. He's making it just fine. Yeah, these little ruts helped get us up. Going for a nice morning jog?
He was trying to fight the ruts. He was like,
Oh no, you gotta just stick with them.
Stressful for the maiden voyage.
Imogene Pass. Elevation 13,114 feet.
Okay.
try to stop, man. And
I haven't let my foot off the brake. I was just
You're like, I am.
hold on, I think maybe I should move my truck.
Yeah, how you
I'm
feel?
scared. Yeah, look at you can
It's
see you
scary.
can see the shininess. We
Yeah.
just came down that. It's all like
Yeah,
ice.
so you can see all that. It's basically ice. I had to walk that whole thing because Oren wouldn't let me in the truck.
I wouldn't recommend going down that.
chopped off my
Yeah,
thing though.
probably wouldn't recommend.
Like I was
But
slapping.
woo, we made it! Oh, we're making it! I think we're past most of the really rough stuff. So, see if we slide a little bit here, and then we'll be past the bad stuff.
That was great and everything. See if we make it here and we'll be past the bats. Looks like we're past it.
You know what? We're still gonna try Black Bear. Oh, we stopped. We're coming down.
Yeah, I'm definitely glad we're coming down now. The snow is like stressing me out.
Yeah, it was rough. We're making it. Jake made it all right. We're doing good.
Yep.
Everything. Just everything. Just put it all.
Alright, let's hear it.
So we finished Imogene Pass, and we are now taking the $1 Million Highway out to Black Bear Pass.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.